Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about Alibaba.com Croc Charm Vendors. You guys know I love shopping on Alibaba.com. So if I've used a vendor, I'm definitely going to share that vendor with you guys. I feel like people are so quick to sell vendors when they don't actually use those people. So how do you know that these are reliable vendors? That is not the case here on my channel. I'm going to share with you guys vendors that I've actually used or I'm currently using. So let's get into the video. My daughter speaks Korean and maybe I should call her. Okay, so I'm going to insert the screen of my phone so that we can stroll on these vendors together. I'm not going to try to pronounce their names because I will butcher their names because I do not know how to pronounce these wholesalers, guys. Okay, so this is the first vendor that I am currently working with. I still have these Croc Charms in stock and I do restock them very often. So yes, this is my current vendor. And as you guys can see, they have super cute Croc Charms. So also, I want you guys to keep in mind when you are searching through these vendors that I'm giving you guys, you can ask them for a brochure and they will literally show you all the Croc Charms they have. Some of them are not listed on their website, so definitely ask for a brochure no matter what you're shopping for, not just Croc Charms. So the second vendor is going to be Zhang, and this is a vendor that I purchased all of my designer Croc Charms from, but they do offer different types of Croc Charms if you guys are interested. The third vendor is going to be Yiwu, and they also offer designer Croc Charms and they also have jewelry if you guys are interested in that. Also, remember to ask for a brochure so they can literally show you everything that they carry. So the fourth vendor is going to be Gunzhou Bling Bling Trading. Here is a screen recording of a few of the Croc Charms that they offer. Remember to always ask for a brochure. I'm gonna keep saying that because you guys don't understand. Sometimes they do not showcase their designer Croc Charms because it's illegal to have products that are like Chanel and Coach and Dior and Gucci. It's illegal to have those type of products, so they don't show them, but they do have. And the last Croc wholesaler is going to be Yiwu, and here is a screen recording of that company. They have the soup. I think their stuff is the cutest. Like, they have a lot of pink stuff. You guys know I love pink, so I definitely recommend this. Stop. So now that I got your attention, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free and it supports my channel, and it also helps me to create these type of videos helping young entrepreneurs. I love doing these type of videos. All I ask is that you guys subscribe to my channel. It supports me. Vendor. So yeah, that is all 5 of my Croc Charm vendors. You guys, I love Croc Charms. They are actually one of my top sellers in my store. I like recently started selling them. I'm not gonna lie, I started selling them when Nicki Minaj popped out with her pink Crocs and she had all those beautiful charms. I know they would trend then because she's a famous person and she was showing that she was wearing Crocs with all these nice and fancy charms, so I knew it would trend. I hop on trends, which I'm glad I did. So now I have a lot of Croc Charms in my store. I have like Bad Bunny. I even have the freaking show that went viral. What's the name of that show that went viral? I was about to say Hunger Games, but it's not. Bing, boom, bing, boom. It's all over the place, but I forgot the name. It's not coming to me. Sorry, guys. Once I say the sound, you guys should know what I mean. The killing show, hide and seek show that was viral all over the internet. What is the name of that show? So yes, any type of Croc Charms that you guys are looking for, I definitely recommend these 5 vendors. These are vendors that I actually purchased from. Again, I'm not going to give you guys Alibaba.com vendors who I actually have never used, because I just wouldn't do that. I don't know if you might get ripped off, and I would not want to, like, I wouldn't want that to be because of me. So yeah, these are reliable vendors. So please let me know in the comments if you guys need any vendors for anything else. Like I said, I'm constantly purchasing from Alibaba.com, and I have a lot of wholesaler connects, and I am more than happy to make videos and share my vendors with you guys for absolutely free. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more wholesaler videos. I do use a lot of wholesalers, you guys. I swear I'm getting packages from Alibaba.com every week because I purchase a lot from them. So I'm able to know which vendors are good and which are crappy. So I have come across a few vendors who are not good, or maybe it wasn't their fault, it was just a shipper. So yeah, I have a lot of knowledge on Alibaba.com because I am constantly shopping with them. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video beneficial, and if you use any of these Croc Charm retailers, let me know so I can know I'm the plug. But that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, guys.